Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Pisen MagSafe Power Bank. This portable charger promises strong magnetic adherence, fast wireless charging, and a host of other impressive features. Let's dive right in and see what this power bank is all about. First up, let's unbox this beauty. Inside the box, we have the Pisen MagSafe Power Bank, a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and a user manual. Now, let's talk about what makes this power bank special. Starting with its strong magnetic adherence, it supports multiple power outputs up to 15 watts. You can easily attach this to your iPhone 15 to 12 series for a quick 7.5 watt magnetic wireless charge. Just make sure you're using a MagSafe phone case or charge without one for the best grip. Moving on, the power bank supports multi-protocol compatibility. With wired fast charging via Type-C, it offers up to 30 watt output and 20 watt input, compatible with fast charging protocols like PDQ, CAFC, and FCP. This ensures seamless and efficient charging for a variety of devices. One of the standout features is its 10,000 mAh battery capacity. This high-density lithium-ion battery ensures that your device stays powered throughout the day. Check out the built-in LED display. This intelligent display provides easy-to-read battery level updates, so you always know how much juice you have left. Another great feature is the built-in stand. The power bank comes with a stand that supports both horizontal and vertical phone charging orientations. Perfect for watching videos or video calling while your phone charges. Safety is key with the Pisen MagSafe Power Bank. It has an advanced protection system guarding against overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuits, overtemperature, and more. This ensures a safe and worry-free charging experience. And lastly, its compact and portable design. Weighing only 0.47 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to carry around. Now, let's test its functionality. I'm attaching it to my iPhone 13, and as you can see, it immediately starts charging. The magnetic hold is strong and stable. So there you have it, the Pisen MagSafe Power Bank. With its strong magnetic adherence, multi-protocol compatibility, large battery capacity, built-in LED display and stand, and comprehensive safety features, it's a fantastic choice for anyone needing a reliable and versatile portable charger. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.